Hello everyone, we are going to learn briefly about the LRU algorithm. Introduction. LRU approximation page replacement in a commonly used algorithm in operating systems. It is designed to reduce the number of page faults by approximating the behavior of the least recently used LRU algorithm. LRU approximation is an efficient approach to manage memory resources in a computer system. Understanding LRU. The LRU algorithm selects the page for replacement that has not been used for the longest duration of time. LRU approximation provides a compromise between accuracy and efficiency. However, implementing LRU exactly is computationally expensive. Example: LRU stands for least recently used. By loading the required page from the secondary memory to the main memory. So, we will find whether the memory is full with pages or not. So, if the memory is full, then we have to replace the existing page in the main memory with the required page. So, that will be happens. That means here the person which is a page replacement. So that depends upon these algorithms. In this algorithm, whether the page least recently used, that page will be replacement in the required page. Let consider the reference or a thin or the page to the leastly used. Number of forms equal to 3. Page faults equal to hits equal to. How it can be solved? So, first page number of 3 frames are available. This page fault. LRU approximation algorithms. Reference bit. With each page associated a bit initially equal to 0. When a page is reference bit set to 1, replace the 1 which is 0. If 1 exists, we do not know the order, however. Second chance. Need reference bit clock replacement. If a page to be replaced in clock order has a reference bit equal to 1, then set reference bit 0, leave page in memory, replace next page in clock order subject to same rules. Basic principles. LRU approximation uses a reference bit to track the usage of each page. The reference bit is set to 1 when the page is accessed and 0 otherwise. When a page fault occurs, the operating system selects a page with a reference bit set to 0 for replacement. LRU approximation works by assuming that page with reference bits set to 1 or more likely to be used in the near future. When selecting a page for replacement, the operating system chooses a page with a reference bit set to 0 if available. If no such page exists, it selects a page with a reference bit set to 1.
Advantages of LRU approximation. LRU approximation strikes a balance between accuracy and efficiency. In this, it reduces the number of page faults compared to similar algorithms like FIFO. It requires less computational overhead compared to implementing LRU exactly. In these higher level cases, we avoid LRU because it was too difficult or expensive to do in hardware. Page replacement is executed in software. We have more resources. Still, it usually better just to approximate LRU. So the commonly steps are the results are often such as good, less computation in the critical path, too hard to get accurate information. Coming to the limitations of LRU, LRU approximation can still result in suboptimization page replacement discussions. In this, it may evict pages that are about to be issued or used, leading to additional page faults. The accuracy of LRU approximation depends on the frequency, and it depends upon the frequency byte updates. Variation of LRU approximation. So there are variations of LRU approximations such as second chance and clock algorithms. And the second chance algorithm gives page with reference bits set to 1A second chance before considering them for replacement. In this, clock algorithm uses a circular buffer and a clock hand to approximate LRU. So as we see here the picture. Coming to the real world applications of LRU, LRU approximation is widely used in modern operating systems, and it is essential for managing memory resources. It is useful in multitasking environments. It is also used in scaling mechanisms to improve performance in web services and databases. It's also used in the servers. Coming to the conclusion of the LRU, approximation page replacement is an effective algorithm for managing memory resources. It will manages the memory resources. It balances accuracy and efficiency, reduces the number of page faults. Understanding LRU approximation help in optimizing system. I'm